make these projections. So global growth is slowing, which happens occasionally as economics go through cycles. And therefore, we feel that there may be a slowdown in Cambodia's major trading partners, EU, US, and therefore that will have an impact on the slowdown in the Cambodian growth rate. So that's one. Second is a lot of tourism arrivals in Cambodia are driven by the Chinese tourists. So if that economy slows, that will also have an impact, although I will share some news on that in a minute. And thirdly, I think the second question you mentioned is about EBA and the impacts of the EBA. Still too early to tell, but of course, in the short term, that will have a drag. Because garment exports are a major export commodity. They drive a major share of your exports. But I think at the moment, let's wait for the EBA. I mean, there is still 18 months to go, so I don't think we can forecast what the outcome of that process will be. I think the other point you made is on the political, the announcements that were made, the reforms that were announced last Friday. From what I have read in the translation, quite positive reforms, because these are focusing on opening up of markets, improving efficiency, easing of border controls, trade facilitation, focus on private sector, one-window services. So these are all very, very positive because they improve the business environment, they facilitate trade, and therefore they should help with exports. So I think that's, and with investment, so I think that's a good thing. On the specific political changes, as you know, ADB never comments on these because we take conditions as our operating context, but we support the government invest in infrastructure development. A large part of our support to the government is for infrastructure.
The average tariff is around 12%.
So we
lose that. So we need to.
You need to become more efficient and more competitive so the costs go down and productivity increases. The whole world is open for exports. And nothing is closing to Cambodia. So nothing's going to just preferential access. I think that's.
Employers are still constrained by significant gap between skill that they demand and the skill that they can be supplied. So, and reflecting this, we look at the World Bank Human Capital Index 2018, which is a composite measure of enrollment and dropout rate, the average year of schoolings, and the learning quality at school. It ranks Cambodia above Myanmar and Laos. Laos is the bottom, second bottom is Myanmar, and we are the